Hello everyone, my name is Chandra Perry, and for this week's Module 5 A1 video reflection, I created a PowerPoint as my visual. So we're going to jump right into it. So the three overall benefits of art integration that I decided to focus on are improved academic performance, enhanced creativity and critical thinking skills, and increased engagement and motivation. The specific benefits, I chose to talk about the art integration areas: music, visual arts, and drama. So the first one for music, I decided that a great benefit is that it has an impact on memory and concentration in students. And for visual arts, I feel that it fosters a great imagination in children and helps them to enhance their analytical skills. And for drama, it develops communication and interpersonal skills because they're having to communicate with themselves and groups of friends. So concepts, methods, and strategies for integrating fine arts into the curriculum. So the first one that I decided was that I liked learning about differentiating for the diverse needs that about arts integration, and that it's the same as differentiated instruction because you're meeting the needs of children and helping them create and represent different ways to express meaning. My second one is I liked the concept of storytelling because it coincides with drama and because they're one and the same. So I liked how they kind of balance each other out, and they assuming the roles and using imaginative voices is something that I do in the classroom all the time. And I like that it's a part of a drama that I didn't realize I was integrating. And the third one is I like dance because I found something in the textbook that said that in chapter 9, I believe, that it translates into social studies because it can reflect your taste, economic conditions, and social trends. So I think that this is great again for the age level that I'm working with right now, pre-K, because I feel like social studies is something that's undervalued and underrepresented right now in pre-K. So arts integration in my future classroom. In my future classroom, I plan on using differentiated instruction, which focuses on unique needs. I plan on enhancing content comprehension, such as playing music to help children learn different concepts. I plan on fostering creativity and critical thinking by enhancing their imaginations and giving them freedom for artistic expression. And I plan on building a positive culture in my classroom where children feel open to share and to engage. And lastly, I feel that I also would like to meet the needs of English learners. And by doing that, I can rely heavily on visuals and kinesthetic learning. Thank you.